I'm Terrance Holbrook. I am Director of Product Management over the manufacturing solution here at MasterControl. So manufacturing has information they collect on the manufacturing floor, whether it's in-process inspections or who did what outside of machine. Like if they have machines doing certain stuff, like automatically collecting temperatures or automatically collecting scale information or weigh or dispensing information. Those are very automated systems, but you still have a manual check, a manual entry somewhere. You still have somebody writing down a date, writing down information. Most of these automated systems perform to a percentage of the batch record. They don't actually create an entire production history record. And a production history record is actually accumulation of a whole bunch of information. And so each element in the manufacturing process provides some of that information. The archaic part of manufacturing is the human element. The human element of manufacturing is where the human still has to manually create data and write it down or enter it somewhere that is not into a system that can record it, track it, and trend it, which happens all over in all kinds of manufacturing. So there isn't another solution out there. Different types of systems have tried to solve these issues, and none of them quite make it there. And that's why a lot of companies revert to building in-house systems on existing platforms at a great expense. They're not technologically advanced. They don't have the skill sets. They run into all kinds of problems. We actually have a current client, actually two now, that are using our system to displace homegrown systems because they are not truly well-developed solutions. And so it was a very first of its kind, even though you'll hear throughout the industry that other types of solutions solve these problems, they really don't. They solve a portion of them, but the end result is not what the company expects.